Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to do an example, another example involving right triangles. So I'm going to read it to you and then we'll draw it out and see what we can find. It says a safety regulation states that the maximum angle of elevation for a rescue ladder is 72 degrees. A fire department's longest ladder is 110 feet. To the nearest foot, what is the maximum safe rescue height? Okay. So let's draw the picture. So we've got a building, right? So let's say we've got this building, right? And we've got the ground, and we've got this ladder. Let's say we've got something that looks like this, right? Draw my picture. Whatever. Okay, and I've got a ladder, like so, right? And what do we know? We know that the safest angle of elevation, okay? The maximum angle of elevation for a rescue ladder is 72 degrees. So the maximum angle of elevation, which is right here, they're saying is 72 degrees. Can't be any more than 72 degrees. Okay. And the ladder, which here is leaning up against the wall, is 110 feet. Now, so they want to know, based on this information, what is the maximum safe rescue height, right? Because the larger the angle, the higher the ladder will be, right? But they're saying the maximum angle is 72 degrees. So what is the height, the maximum height on the wall that the ladder can be safely rested at? So we're going to find the h value of this right triangle. Okay? So we want to find h. Okay, so we need to find h, and so we need to relate h here. So obviously the trigonometric function we're going to use is going to be sine, right? So opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to say that the sine of 72 degrees, and again make sure your calculator is in degree mode, is equal to h over 110 feet. Okay, so now we're going to solve for h, which means h is going to equal 110 feet times the sine of 72 degrees, which has no units. So the answer is going to be in feet, and we want to round to the nearest foot. Okay, and so when we do this, we're going to get approximately 105 feet. So the maximum safe height, okay, the maximum height that you can safely rest this ladder for a rescue is 105 feet. Okay, that's it. Not bad.